Hello guys, welcome to my channel VFX Learning. Actually, Marvel has launched their new trailer of Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. So today I will teach you how to make Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 movie title or intro in After Effects software. So download the project file in video description. So let's get started. Open Cinema 4D software. I have made an text of Guardians of the Galaxy. And added lights and camera sequence in my timeline. And added suitable material to the text. And also given the suitable environment to my text. I have deleted the Marvel Studios text in project file. And created that to another project. So I have created bevels to my text for looking at 3D. As you can see after rendering that in C4D software. You can also create lights in multiple directions to look realistic. Download project file in video description. Open new composition panel and drop C4D file of Guardians of the Galaxy to it. Then go to Effects and Controls panel. Then click on Renderer. Then select the renderer to current. Open new composition panel and drop C4D file of Marvel Studios to it. Then go to Effects and Controls panel. Then click on Renderer. Then select the renderer to current. Then go to Working Panel. Drop your background image to number 8th layer. It will be our main layer. Now enable that layer. Now create a solid layer and mask that layer. And rename that layer to Inner. It will be the Inner Light. Now also enable that layer. After that, duplicating that inner layer. Rename it to Outer 2. Now enable Marvel layer. And also enable Guardians layer. I have animated it first. Then create a camera. Now enable outer layer, which is a solid layer. After enabling of layer. As you can see how it looks realistic. Then click on Outer Solid Layer. Then drop Element 3D Effect to it. Then click on Custom Layers. Then click on Custom Text and Masks. Then in Path Layer 1 select Outer 2 Layer. Then click on Scene Setup. As you can see, the 3D object looks realistic. Add environment. Add material. Then create light to cinema. You can select U path layer in extension panel. You can also select material type to standard material in edit panel of material. Now as you can see that I have animated the camera for animation. Add motion blur to all layers. Before animating with camera we need to select some layer and convert it to 3D layer. In my project flicker effect was not working, so I tried different way for it. Convert layer 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 to 3D layer. Then start rendering it in render media and render it in high quality. After rendering in After Effects,